Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Technologyglance. Today, in this video, I'm going to guide you through how you can enable hide read time on Telegram. So, let's get started. Firstly, open Telegram app in a device. Then tap on three lines icon. Next, tap on settings. After that, tap on privacy and security. Then tap on last seen and online. After that, you can see the option of hide read time. Turn on it by tapping on it. Next, you can see the option of tick button on top right corner of your screen. Tap on it. So, this is how you can enable hide read time on Telegram. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, we would love it if you hit the thumbs up button below. We upload great new tech tutorials like this one every day. So do not forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so that you'll never miss another update.